phase 2 its first attempt, and I got screened out. So totally you can say, yeah, it's second attempt. He said, okay, are you nervous? Then I said, I started laughing, and I said, yeah, first time everyone gets nervous. I am also a bit nervous, but it's not playing that much in my mind. Because sir, I had one interview with you also. So I was feeling very confident about interview, that I thought that interview though I will rock. Other things I don't know, but interview I will rock. And there were few points also, sir, which our principal also told us about. So like I was feeling confident in interview. Then sir, when I went there, so, and also sir, one more thing was there, that they asked us to carry the certificates. And sir, like the previous day while I was setting all the certificates in the file, so other group members of my group came that and said that, yeah, this is the tally of certificates we all don't have, and you alone have that much certificates. So then also sir, like confidence was there in me that, yeah, I have done something in my life, so interview is going to be good. Then sir, interview prevailed, like my interview went for 45 minutes, and there were not many questions about not a single question about the Indian Air Force, not about any current affairs, nothing related to the hobbies. Sir, most of my interview was there that how are the relations with your family and your friends? Because sir, I was in a boarding school, so relations with family and friends, they matter a lot. And I spent most of my times with my friends in the school. So these two were the main topics. Also, sir, I was the football captain in my school. So interview was there on like difficulties you faced as a captain in your school and that sort of thing. And sir, here I would like to bring that in, that the interviewing officer, when he came to know that I am from Motilal Nehru School of Sports, Rai, he said, yeah, Rahul, I am very happy to see some candidate from sports school, because some of the batchmates of the interviewing officer was from sports school, Rai. So he said that, yeah, so that made him congratulate me twice that, Rahul, you are from sports school, right? I am very pleased to know this thing. So then, sir, gut feeling came that, yeah, yes, interview is going good. And so that's how my interview was. And sir, like your interview where you asked me 2 CIQs, I remember you asked me only 2 CIQs. And the same CIQs were there only, one on the education, and then teachers you like, and your friend circle, sports activities, co-curricular activities you participated in. That was like, it is almost same for everyone. But this CIQ and other CIQ, you asked about the family, that how many members are there, whom you are close to, whom you share. Like, sir, many of the questions were same. Like, what was the last instance when you gave some shared something with your mother? What was the last instance when you shared something with your father? Like, these sort of questions you asked me, and it made me it helped me to prepare better these questions. So after the interview, like, it lasted only for 45 minutes, but there was a feeling that, yes, your interview has gone absolutely very, very well. But after that, sir, because it was the conference day itself, so after that, all the three testing techniques, like our final group task, which only lasted for 10 seconds, started coming into my mind. Then, sir, I could only attempt 29 SRTs. That again started coming into my mind. And sir, our this conference was till 5:30. So and I was chest number 59. So I had to wait a lot in the waiting room, sir. All the candidates were sleeping. We just fed up of sleeping also, sir, because it was the result day. So
yeah, 60 candidates. See, what happens is the Air Force boards are bigger boards, right? Unlike
yes,
in the Army boards where you have about 30 candidates plus minus a little bit. In the Air Force boards, you can have candidates even up to about 80, right?
Yeah.
So they're larger boards and capacity is longer. So ultimately, what happens is on the conference day, the conference itself, to test or to speak to 60 candidates can take anything between 2.5 to 3.5 hours, right? So conference उतना देर चलती है, कम से कम 2 घंटा चलेगी कॉन्फ्रेंस, कम से कम 2 घंटा, राइट? अगर दो
Sir,
मिनट भी आप एक को देते हो तो. So, but
the
normally it
officer
takes about
who
3.5 hours.
the officer who briefed about like conference, that how you have to go inside, he said that approximately 4 hours, at least 4 hours to 5 hours.
Yeah,
And sir,
it
like
can.
it started at 11, and it finished at 5:30.
Oh my God.
So it was, but there was break also, lunch
Yeah.
break for the officer. So
Yes.
it was around 5 hours.
Yeah. So it takes time. It takes time because that is the time when we are really trying to assess the everything. Give the best to the candidate as well as keep the interest of the service in mind. So a lot of deliberations they take place. So that's good. So anything as far the briefing was concerned, how was the briefing? Were you told कि अंदर जाने पे आपको क्या करना है, किससे बात करनी है, etc. I mean, a lot of people want to know about this.
Yes, sir. Sir, so the officer who briefed us about, he said that there were two flags, one Air Force flag and one Indian flag will be there, and there will be like large flags and will be placed behind the president, board president, and he will be like, it is in 99.9% cases that he will be sitting in the center. But he said that you can also find him by looking at the two large flags, one Air Force flag and one Indian flag behind him.
Yes.
And then he said that after that, it is not necessary that board president will talk to you. The person who will be talking to you will there will again be two flags, one Indian Air Force and one Indian flag, but they will be kept ahead of him in on the table. So he said that just when you enter, you have to wish to the president, and then you have to search for the two flags who will be kept on the table.
These are
So that you
miniature
can know
flags.
that,
Yeah, miniature
yes,
flag
yes,
table
sir,
के ऊपर रखते हैं. हाँ.
yes, sir, yes, sir. So that you can know that who is talking to you. Then you have to sit there and whatever the questions they will ask, you have to give the answers and keep them crisp, because he also said that you are 60 candidates, and along with them 9 candidates were there for FCAT, so it made 69 total. So he said that keep it crisp and brief. So and whatever the questions they will ask, just answer
To the point.
briefly and crisply. Yes, sir. And sir, in about my conference, I would like to say that I while all these things were coming into my mind, that yeah, psychology, SRTs were not that much good, because I couldn't attempt much in the final group task. We only we were only given 10 seconds, and we were not given much time. We couldn't complete the PGT also. So those things started coming into my mind. But sir, like they were only putting pressure on me, and they were coming to other students also, sir, because I could make out from the faces of the candidates. And sir, now I can say that YouTube has given information also, but sir, that goes against also, because sir,
Disinformation. Yeah.
yes, sir, because I got to know that like from YouTube, on one or two odd videos from YouTube also, that if you are a borderline candidate, like some things which you have not performed well in, so you will be a borderline candidate. So if you are a borderline candidate, there will be discussion on you on conference day. But I think that these things should not be told to the candidates, because sir, at that time, while I was thinking that, yeah, all the three assessors can't clear me, because I have not done that good in all the three techniques that they will say recommend. So that I thought that the best what could happen with me is that I will become a borderline candidate, and there will be discussion before I enter to the test conference hall. So, but when my chance came, sir, I think I was not waited more than 30 seconds. Just my chest number was called there, and I went inside. And after inside also, sir, it is I think that if someone is borderline candidate, then there will be situations asked, SRTs asked with that candidate, and his conference will go a bit long. But sir, my conference while I entered, that was also around 30 seconds, and nothing serious was asked. Like one question was there that what is your motivation to join the Air Force? Then I said, sir, my schoolmates and my seniors. Then he asked, from which school you are? Then I told, sir, I am from Motilal Nehru School of Sports, Rai. Then he said, sports school? Yes, sir. Then he said that which sport do you excel in? I said, football, sir. Then he said, what is the future of football in India? Then I got blank, sir, because such question I didn't expect. I expected such questions in interview, but in conference, I thought. Then one thing just came to my mind that I said, future is bright, sir. Good players are coming. I said this. Then he said, what is your future? Then, sir, I repeated the same sentence. My future is also bright, sir. And then, sir, like all the officers were started, just gave a smile, started laughing. And then he said, how was your stay? I said, very nice, sir. And then he said, any suggestions? I said, no, sir. Then he said, okay, thank you, Rahul, you may leave. So it just lasted for 30 seconds. So then we were asked to wait outside. So while I was going in the waiting room where all other candidates whom conference was over were waiting. So till the time I reached there, I was thinking that main to gaya. Because I was not waited, I was not asked to wait before the conference also, and my conference didn't lasted more than 30 seconds. So at that time, this thing was coming, yaar, nahi bhai, nahi hua. But hopefully, sir, after that, the result was announced and my chest number was also there.
Chalo, very nice.
I was happy.
So that's again, congratulations. I'm sure, I think you deserved well, and been interacting with you. So a lot of confidence, a lot of hard work, and through your schooling years, you've done a lot of things. Academics also you've done well, and so in other spheres, all activities, including extracurricular activities, you have actively been participating. Yeah. So what about the CPSS?
Yes, sir. So CPSS was also a bit creating pressure because it's a one in a lifetime opportunity. And sir, like I was aspiring to be a fighter pilot, sir. When I wanted to join the Air Force, I thought that I will be a fighter pilot. And then, sir, if I can't clear the CPSS, then it's of no use. And the main thing which pressurizes is that it is once in a lifetime test, sir. But sir, CPSS, before that they give briefing and they show us a video like that was 40 to 45 minutes of video about the aircraft and the 6 meters of the aircraft, the bank, and like sir, all those meters, if someone goes there, he will know. And the briefing is very means
exhaustive.
It is
very detailed.
Yes, sir, it is very detailed. So there were two tests in the CPSS. One was cognitive test and other was psychometric body
psychomotor
test, sir.
Psychomotor.
Yes, psychomotoric test. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So in the cognitive test, sir, that we 21 got recommended. So one was the candidate who already cleared the CPSS also, sir. So he had not to appear again. So 20 were there in the testing hall. So sir, there were 6 tests, and I think the main thing is that it is a bit updated version of the OIR in the reasoning. And about the aircraft meters and all that test, if you listen to the briefing carefully, then you are able to do it. And in one test, I remember that, sir, like there is test of only 2 meters are there, 20 minutes and 60 questions, and we have to like give the answers. So time is the main thing there, sir, because after the briefing, like very much about those meters, but you have to apply that in a particular time. That is the main thing, sir. So if
Basically, it is
someone
the
is
application. Yeah, it is the
yes sir,
application
yes,
of your whatever you learnt or absorbed. Yeah.
yes sir, yes sir. So from the cognitive testing, sir, 4 candidates couldn't make it in, like they couldn't clear, because it is all computerized and we have to like give our answers onto feed onto the computer. So result didn't took much
Instantaneous.
time to come. Yes
Mhm.
sir. So like 16 out of 20 cleared the first round. Then sir, we were taken to the psychomotric testing hall, and there also, sir, we were given briefing. And that was like we had to play games, sir, in the cockpit. So about that, sir, like there are about 10 games, and out of 16, 9 cleared that psychomotric test, sir. And it is, sir, I also was not sure that I would make it or not, because we know that what we have to do, because in the briefing they tell that if you keep the dot inside the smaller smallest square, then you will get the maximum marks. If it is outside the squares, then you negative marking will be there. So we know that how marks will be given to us, and like what is the scoring procedure. So I knew that I have not did I haven't done that much better, but my my all the games were like average and above average. So but when the results were announced there, so I made it in that also. Then I realized that this test doesn't demand excellent students. If you are average, you can also clear it. And that same happened, sir. Like I was average in all the tests. uh, I did better in some other tests, so I lagged in some other, but overall the performance was average, and I made it, sir, in the
So
CPSS.
how many tests were you given in psychomotor? How many chances? And then that is, they
So
tell you,
yes,
okay, best of such and such.
yes, sir. Like in the briefing itself, they told that one chance will be there for you to like for the control, and that all, that you will be friendly to the controls, that what you have to do
Familiarization.
in this test. Yes
Familiarization
sir,
bolte. हाँ.
yes sir, yes sir. And after that there will be 3 chances, and best of the three means the best score out of the 3 tests will be taken into the consideration. So that was, and it was not, sir, like someone can cheat, because it is all computerized test. And in computer, when you start after after a particular time which is assigned to that game, it just stops
So,
and asks you to start again. Yes sir.
yeah, so simple, but a lot of people also, थोड़ा सा अगेन उसको भी काफ़ी यूट्यूब में सोशल मीडिया में इसको भी हवा बना देते हैं और फिर बहुत सारी थ्योरीज इसमें चलती हैं तो आई थिंक दैट इज not very much of a concern as far as the candidates are concerned. They should feel mm, what you call very apprehensive about this. So like you said, अगर आप instructions को follow कर सकते हो, उनको apply कर सकते हो, तो then it is easy. If you are at ease, तो ठीक है. अगर nervous बहुत tense रहोगे तो तब फिर naturally फिर वो control नहीं होता है आपसे. That वो center of this thing.
Yes sir.
But anyway, I'm sure these things people do practice, and that's why it is it's an aptitude. राइट इट इज नॉट समथिंग जो
Yes
आप
sir.
रट के काम कर सकते हो इट इज एन एप्टीट्यूड और वो वहां पे आपका नजर आता है सो दैट
Sir,
इज
sir, I would like to add one thing here, sir.
यस
Like said this thing, my principal who was there in the school this time while I was in class 12, he told me like he had one meeting with the student, and he asked that whosoever is going for CPSS, he said that there is one instruction for all the candidates who are appearing in CPSS, is that just keep calm and don't get hectic. If your first chance is gone, leave it. You have 2 other chances. If your second is also gone, then also leave it. You have
नो
one
चांस
chance left, and you can do better in that. So he said that just stay calm there, and you will make it. And this is like my sort of advice to the candidates who will be watching this, sir, that just keep calm, you'll make it.
Absolutely, absolutely. So that is a very nice, what you call, account of your experience. I'm sure a lot of candidates, aspirants who are going for the SSB, they will benefit from this. हालांकि हर एक का एक अपनी अपनी story होती है, that is applicable to you because your background is of a particular kind. Another person with a different background may not find this exactly suiting him. That is where the difference comes, and it get one size fits all doesn't work. But
Yes,
yes,
sir.
confidence within yourself and giving the best out of your capabilities, that helps, right? So Rahul, congratulations once
Sir,
again. And
sir, I
anything,
would like to.
yeah,
Yes,
please
sir.
say
Yes, sir.
anything you want to say.
Sir, like when I got screened out, sir, from Varanasi, sir. Then I thought of preparing on my own, sir. And then like I prepared for the written examination from an academy, and I got to know that there are educators who are giving guidance for SSB also. So sir, like I know each and every of them, the assessors, and I have like attended classes of all the assessors. But I would like to say that each and every assessor's method is different, sir. Every educator is different. But sir, your course on the discover and develop yourself, I have attempted like 5 DDYs, discover and develop yourself courses. But the difference which I attended this time and was the previous time, there was only one difference, that what sort of task or whatever the work you asked us to do, I did it. And sir, this time that I do not dodge myself, because there is only loss of my, because while I was not doing the task which you are saying, then I am like it's my loss only. So what I did this time to not dodge, that I uh, initiated to become the group coordinator, sir. And if I am the group coordinator, if I am not sending my work to you, then what is the benefit of me being the group coordinator? And then that came from getting screened out from Varanasi, sir, because this was my last SSB for the NDA. And sir, I belong to a farming background family. So sir, like all those who are from the same background can easily understand that there is also a pressure from the parent side, that you have to join some job, or and after 12th NDA is one option, Air Force X and Y group, Navy AA. So sir, there is a difference in NDA and joining Air Force XY group and Navy AA. So sir, doing the silly mistakes, those who are on an academy, and sir, those who know that a course is going there, discover and develop yourself course, and sir is giving some task, and then he is not doing, like sir, the all the things you asked us to make a list of our achievements. When you asked to make a list of 10 achievements, I made 14, sir. When you asked to make a list of 5 failures, I made 8, sir. Because that time, and sir, I didn't found like I also joined Olive Greens. But there, sir, I am not criticizing that they are not good. They are good, but the amount of candidates, like in one single batch there are 200 candidates. So it is obvious that they can't give same kind of guidance or time to each and every candidate. But and on an academy, sir, SSB classes, in SSB classes there are very few candidates, like you can count on tips. And then there are assessors like you, sir, who check the stories also there, uh, check the task which you give, like whenever someone sends when someone sent the achievements, you discussed in the class itself. And also, sir, like your special classes, one was means not one, there were many classes on interview, and you just take one part of the PIQ and ask students to send the PIQ to you, and then you tell some questions to the students that you may be asked this, you may be asked this. That was helpful for preparing the interview. And sir, your one class on self description, I remember that you asked students that you can send your self description to me, and then you checked. I like, sir, there were 3 candidates who sent the self description, and I was the only who sent all the 5 questions which are asked, and you checked all 5, sir. So, sir, it's my request to all the candidates who will be seeing this, that if they are attending, if they are on an academy and plus, and not on plus, if they can't afford, then your special classes on such topics. You also bring classes on like hobbies and interest and all those things, sir. Uh, Truly, sir, saying to be true that I didn't attend those classes, not a single class. But because I knew that how hobbies and games, like I played sports and how they develop the personality of a candidate. But sir, your course on discover and develop yourself course, which helped me a lot, sir, knowing about myself. And because not only attending the course is not enough, sir. Uh, Doing the task which you gave is more important than that. So I would like to say that your course helped me a lot, sir. And if my SSB would have been later, so your course, which is ongoing also now on an academy, uh, that would have also helped me. But sir, also your guidance and the guidance of my seniors whom I met, my classmates, sir, there who got recommended in the NDA 145th, Goro, he is my friend also. So I used to talk to him about 1.5 hour after he got recommended. And sir, my principal also, and all the teachers who were praying for me while I went there, and of course my family and my friends, sir, for their support and guidance and help. I would like to thank them also, sir.
Chalo, that's very nice, Rahul. Once again, congratulations to you. Congratulations to your parents, right? I think they have done a lot of, तुम्हें बहुत जल्दी भेजा था स्कूल में, so they must be
Yes,
very
sir.
happy at this point of time. So congratulations to them as well, and
Thank you, sir.
wishing you the very best for your NDA. I'm sure, even the medical and other things, that you will sail through. There shouldn't be any major problems, right? So wishing you
Yes,
all
sir.
the best. Thank you very much, Rahul.
Thank you, sir. It was nice meeting with you again, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.